Hi, my dear genius mathematicians. Let us now look at this sixth problem. In this problem, they asked us to write intersecting, parallel, and coincident line equations for this given equation. And you know that there are certain conditions to write intersecting, coincident, and parallel lines. And these are the conditions. So, based on these conditions, now we are going to form or write linear equations to meet these questions. So now let us take first of all the given linear equation. This is the given linear equation, and when you compare with a1x b1y c1 is equals to 0, then you will get values a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 3, c1 is equals to minus 8. Now we have to write intersecting line for this given equation. So the condition for that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So this condition we need to meet to write the intersecting line for this given equation. So now see here on the screen, 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0. This equation should be or is going to intersect this given line equation. Why? Because 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 2. So we are meeting this condition. So whenever we are meeting this condition, then that line equation is going to intersect this given line equation. Now second question, we need to write parallel lines. Again we have the condition. What is that? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So to meet this condition, we have written here one more equation. And if you see here, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and minus 8 by 12, these are the ratios. And when you simplify, 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2, 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. c1 by c2 you will get 2 by 3, whereas these two values you are getting 1 by 2. So now we have written one more equation, this equation which is parallel to the given line equation. We have one more line to be written, that is coincident line for this given equation, and the condition is all the three ratios should be equal. So this is the given equation, and we have written new equation which is coincident. Why? Because 2 by 4 is equals to 3 by 6 is equal to minus 88 by 16. All these three ratios are equal. Hence, this equation is coincident line for the given line equation. Hope you got good clarity on the problem which we have discussed, and this is very basic and important problem which is going to check our basic knowledge on this table. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.